Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the subject food science and technology and what all is a part of food technology. So food technology is the study of the technical aspects which are related to food, right from farm to fork. So whenever the food is harvested till it reaches the consumer's plate, what all processing goes in it and जो भी इसके technical aspects है related to microbiology, इसकी safety, उसका preservation, that is all a part of food science. Because food is consumed, it is an essential commodity of survival. So it is very interesting to learn, I think, about food science and not just as a career option, but also it especially the knowledge of food will help you to overcome any disease you are experiencing, building awareness of what to eat, when to eat. So there are so many other advantages of learning about this subject. So फूड प्रोसेसिंग से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. फूड प्रोसेसिंग क्या होता है? दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ टेक्निक्स एंड मेथड्स वेयर द रॉ इंग्रेडिएंट्स, जो क्रॉप्स एंड ग्रेन्स जो भी हम हार्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रेन्स, उसको एक फाइनल कंज्यूमेबल फॉर्म में उसको कन्वर्ट करना. So either you we do it at home, like by cooking, for example, एंड जो भी छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स हैं, लाइक उसको पील करना, उसको कट करना, उसको बॉईल करना, उसको कुक करना. सो दीज आर ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग. In the industry, this happens at a larger scale where we get the final product in the form of packaged foods. So, like potato chips are there, or ice creams are there, or dahi is there, yogurt is there, or pickles are there in the market, or we have papads in the market. There are premixes available in the market. So whatever packaged food you are getting, these are all a part of food processing, where the industry professionals, they are converting and giving the raw material a final form where you can consume it. फूड सेफ्टी होता है जब हम फूड को प्रोसेस करते हैं. इवन जब हम फूड को प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, उसको हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद, उसकी सेफ्टी को कैसे ध्यान में रखना है, बिकॉज टू प्रिवेंट एनी फूड बॉर्न इलनेस which can include the so this area includes how what are the causes और उसको कैसे prevent करना है. So very important to have proper communication between different areas of the value chain. जो भी उसको फॉर जो भी जो है प्रोफेशनल उसको हार्वेस्ट करके उसको इंडस्ट्री तक लाना है, उसके बीच में और इंडस्ट्री के बीच में प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन. इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस हो गया, प्रोडक्शन हो गया, R&D हो गया. तो इन तीनों के बीच में प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है टू इंश्योर द प्रॉपर सेफ्टी ऑफ द फाइनल फूड प्रोडक्ट. फूड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी क्या होता है? वेयर देर आर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, दोनों तरह के इंटरेक्शंस हो सकते हैं फूड में. पॉजिटिव ऑफकोर्स इंटेंशनल होता है, पॉजिटिव इंटरेक्शन जहाँ पर हम फूड को फर्मेंट करते हैं टू प्रोड्यूस प्रोबायोटिक्स in the market. Probiotics food may there the nutrition value of food is enhanced. Like you have pickles, for example. This is a probiotic food where the microorganisms are used to produce acids and other forms of beneficial bacteria in the pickles. Similarly, yogurt is an example of a fermented food. These days, you get fermented milk drinks for digestion as well, like Yakult, for example. So, these are all forms of probiotic foods where there is a positive interaction intended for to enhance the nutritional value of the food product. Some negative interactions like the spoilage of food, when milk curdles, that is an example of food negative interaction of food microorganisms with the food product. When there is rotting of apples, you get apple rot. When you see spoilage of fruits and vegetables at such a large scale in the market, these are all examples of food spoilages. So this is all a part of food microbiology. So now let us understand what is food preservation. So food preservation is to come up with methods to to keep the quality of food from degradation. So, what are the causes and prevention of quality degradation, and how can we prevent it from degrading? That is all a part of food preservation. Uh, so there are various methods of preserving. Like fermentation is also a method of preserving food. Storing foods at a lower temperature uh, to keep it from spoilage is also a method of food preservation. Product development is the invention of food products where many R&D professionals come up with you know they combine their technical knowledge to come up with new and interesting products in the market which interest the consumer. Like especially हेल्थ बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा जो है मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, स्पेशली कोविड के बाद में where there are so many immunity boosting ice creams like turmeric ice creams and amla based chyawanprash have been launched. Many amla based chyawanprash with nutraceuticals, so with health promoting immunity boosting nutraceuticals, ayurvedic chyawanprashes. These are typical examples of food product developments in COVID times. Uh, the next part of food science is the food chemistry. So food chemistry includes जो भी molecular composition है food का, और उसको what are the changes happening in that when we are processing that food. So that is all a part of food chemistry, and food chemistry also helps in understanding you know sometimes there are toxins produced in foods. Either there are natural toxins like apple potatoes, raw potatoes, which when you see that green colored portions in that raw potato, that means that portion is not supposed to be consumed actually, because that is full of toxins. So this is all a part of food chemistry. There are certain molecules which have grown in the potato which have turned that portion green, and you are actually supposed to discard it. Otherwise, this can have long-term effects. So that is, how important it is to learn about food. So, food packaging is my last section which I have covered in the area of food technology today. So, food packaging is when we are using packaging materials to preserve food and contain it throughout the distribution chain till it reaches the final consumer. So the aim of food packaging is of course to preserve food और उसकी shelf life को बढ़ा के रखना, ताकि external stimuli like temperature, air, humidity, we are trying to save our food from degrading basically. So these are the various aspects of food science and technology, and I hope I gave you a general overview regarding the subject. And if you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And I will come up with some more interesting videos in my next upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching.